And the sense of pride that came from that realization was one of the most beautiful things I've really ever been able to be a part of. My name's Kohl Crecelius. I'm the co-founder of Known Supply. We are an ethical fashion brand that exists to celebrate the people who make our clothing and those who wear it. In high school, myself, a couple friends, we were called the Crochet Kids. We traveled to Uganda and we taught a small group of women how to crochet. Our experiences in life could not be any more different. What transpired over the course of a few hours as we sat together, we had a Bluetooth speaker playing, all of these walls just started to melt away and we met friends. It really helped us understand our role was merely to be a catalyst, to provide an opportunity to let these people live into the image that God created them to be in the first place. We wanted to elevate their stories. We had every one of our makers sign their name on these tags, and then we would sew them inside the products. We did a lot of work to help tell those stories online, build out online profiles and take photos. And we asked this gal, we said, how does that make you feel to know that people have purchased products that you've made and written these notes? And she said she had never left the small community where she lives, but her name and her story had traveled the world. We weren't here as a group to help lift these people out of their circumstances. Our role was merely to be a catalyst.